Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So we've been a little bit erratic the last week, and next week we will be away as well, so don't expect any videos next week. I did put out a message or something. Well, we got the wrong chart here. Let's just get the right chart. So yeah, that was a 2200 moving average chart. So I did put out a message day before yesterday when we had broken through the range here, and we were looking for, I'll show you what the trigger was, but basically in the halfway through the day, I think it was, we had a fairly decent 1 hour bit of structure right at 18,400. And yeah, lo and behold, it just went straight past that and triggered the stop loss. But anyway, that's the way it goes. I think at the moment what we do have is we have a range or a flag channel, sorry, and we have a move from the previous week, which is something like that, and we have a potential for a move to the upside like that. And if I look left, you can see there's quite a bit of structure, a lot of tails here, which will sort of hold up price. So I think there's multiple opportunities here for a move to the upside. Oscillators, look at the oscillators. We've got diversions and a crossover. So this is beautifully set up on the 8 hour now. All the moving averages crossed over as well. Now, when we drill down to the 3 hour, nothing really changes. You can see when I put out that message, there was also a 3 hour pin bar as well that formed. But yeah, nevertheless, got triggered here with a big exhaustion bar, then sideways, and then one-way traffic to the upside. And stop was around 18,300 here, and you can see how that didn't really work very well. Just looking to the left, we do have a bit of structure here that we are bouncing with, and that is 18,469. And then I just want to put some levels to the downside. One more. So ideally, I'd want to see pullbacks to 18,423, 18,386, or 18,364 before getting back in on a long, or before looking for a long. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Oscillators on the 3 hour separated, so it could be a case of rolling or a case of consolidation range and then another breakup. So S&P is still running to the upside. And we'll have a look at the Dow now, but I think the Dow also had a fairly strong close after being chaotic most of the last 2 weeks. So when we look at the hour, and you can see there's my 1 hour pin bar that I spoke about with a decent flipping, let's just say continuation bar off a strong level, and 18,400 was the area that I got in on. But you see, I just reversed straight away. Boom. Now, for today, I think I'll go down to the 15 minutes here because we've got to pay attention to this trend line as well. So I suspect we'll probably touch the trend line, then pull back onto structure. So there's more than likely 2 opportunities today. First one is going to be either a pullback, so off the bottom of the range at 18,423, or it's going to be at 18,386 and then 18,364. So we want to see price come back into this area for a move to the upside. So that would be the first opportunity. Looking at our oscillators at the moment, it looks like we're probably just going to go sideways here. We're going to break 18,470, let's say, come back, test this environment, bump our head up here at 18,527, turn around, bump ahead in whatever structure is formed, and then have another attempt at this diagonal. This diagonal is going to be tough to close, or to break, should I rather say, because it is an 8 hour, and I think it's a daily one as well. Yeah, you can see that's the top of the 2 daily pin bars here. But when you look at that on the daily, that's starting to look extremely bullish. Messy, but bullish. Okay. So we're just forming a series of higher lows continually and a series of high highs. So, you know, if I do this, you'll see the channel in the opposite direction. Anyway, and let's just highlight something else here. So that would be the measured move that is looking to form, and you can see that ends up targeting this zone here at 18,865 and 18,813. So yeah, for me today it is long again, and just wait for the break and retest, or alternatively wait for the move down, wait for the base inside bars, engulfing bars, pin bars on structure below, and then you're looking for a move up. Don't forget those stop losses, as I've shown you. It can burn you horribly. You can see there's another example of it. Nice pin bar off structure, removed the upside, but reversed. Anyway, chart's a bit messy, but anyway, that's where I feel today. Wait for the break, retest for the long, or wait for a pullback on structure and you're looking for a long. Just keep those stops as tight as possible, and keep your risk within a manageable amount. Don't try and bet the farm on it. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.